Hello everyone and welcome to this round of Ed Talks. We have with us Priyanka Roy, who is a senior recruitment advisor at York University. So hello Priyanka.
Hi Ganga, thank you so much for having me.
It's great to have you here with us, Priyanka. Students do like to want to travel to Toronto. The first choice generally students say, I want to study in Toronto.
Absolutely.
So tell us more about life in Toronto for a student who's probably at York University.
Absolutely. I think Toronto has been one of those hubs that students really look forward to going to, whether it's students looking for anything to do with arts, media, performance, they're interested in those aspects. Of course, it is known as the business hub as well. So Toronto has a lot of attractive features. And it really helps that York is about 20 minutes away from downtown Toronto. All our campuses are so well connected because of the subway stations that there are. And of course, right now we're offering residence provisions to our students with 4-year residence guarantees on campus as well. So accessibility for students in and out of the campus, whether they're looking for part-time jobs, whether they just want to go hang out with their friends, see a good movie, come back, or experience life on campus and off it as well, becomes great opportunities for them.
All right. So Toronto people do worry about what kind of job availability is there in Toronto, and especially so during the postgraduate work permit time.
Absolutely. If I'm being very honest, there are job crunches everywhere, and Toronto is no exception to that. But what we are doing at York is trying to make provisions for students so that they can make the most of the opportunities that they have. In terms of when they're on campus, the new study permit that there is allows them to work up to 24 hours, that is either on or off campus. And all the programs at York make students eligible for up to 3 years of a post-study work permit. Now, while we can't guarantee what the duration of the work permit they get from the IRCC, we're definitely helping out students have the right knowledge, skills, and abilities that help them find jobs in Toronto or anywhere across the world.
So what kind of statistics can you give in terms of graduate placement rate of students?
According to the latest QS rankings, we have an 88% of employability and job satisfaction after they've graduated from York. Okay. So that goes on to show that not only are students getting placed, they're also getting jobs that make them happy and fit the right kind of careers that they're looking forward to.
Right. Yeah. So what else would you like to talk to the students about York University?
Well, we are the third largest public institution in Canada, so that itself has a lure to itself. Employability is great when you're at York because of the opportunities being so close to the main city. Being in Toronto, students have a lot of different opportunities, and our 3 different campuses are built to accommodate every kind of student. If you're an extrovert who loves the dynamics of the campus and would like to be involved in a lot of things, then the Keele campus is the best fit. If you're looking at learning French and a quiet, serene campus, then the Glendon campus would be right for you. And then we have our newest Markham campus as well, which we love to call as our entrepreneurship and innovation hub. And it will also house our medical school from the year 2027. So for York, we have a little something for everyone who's looking to be there.
Okay, tell us something more about the innovation hub. That interests me.
Absolutely. So as a part of entrepreneurship and innovation, every child these days is looking at creating their own startups, doing their own ventures. So what we are doing is helping students start their research right from scratch, work with faculty, meet the right kind of mentors as well, and then help them find seed funding, help them find opportunities, whether they're on campus or off campus as well.
Excellent. So thank you so much, Priyanka. That was really wonderful.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Thank you.